Swati Misra. In my last video, I have discussed an example of a differential equation which is linear in y. Today, I am going to discuss an example of linear differential equation which is linear in x. How to recognize that the given linear differential equation is linear in y or linear in x? It is so simple to determine because I told you in the definition of linear differential equation that the dependent variable should have degree 1. Here you can see if we consider y as the dependent variable, if we consider y as the dependent variable, then you can see the degree of y is 2 here. So this cannot be linear in y. So I will try to make it linear in x. How we can do this? You can see I can write 1 plus y square dx upon dy plus x minus e raised to power minus tan inverse y equal to 0. Now I have to make it in the standard form. What was that? That is dx upon dy plus x upon 1 plus y square minus e raised to power minus tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square equal to 0. Now we know about the standard form. What was that? That is dx upon dy plus px is equal to q, where p and q are the function of y in the case of linear differential equation which is linear in x. This was the standard form, so I have to make this differential equation in this form. Okay, so I am going to do this. Dx upon dy plus x upon 1 plus y square is equal to e raised to power minus tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square. Now you can see this differential equation is converted into this standard form where p is equal to 1 upon 1 plus y square and q is equal to e raised to power minus tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square. Now how to write the solution for this? Firstly, this is reduced into the standard form. So this is LDE, that is linear differential equation, which is linear in x. Its integrating factor. Firstly, we find integrating factor for this equation. And what is the formula for integrating factor of a differential equation which is linear in x? E raised to power p dy. Since here p is the function of y, so we have to take the integral with respect to y. Okay, so e raised to power p. At the place of p, we are putting 1 plus y square into dy. So what it gives? E raised to power tan inverse y. Okay, so this is the integrating factor for this differential equation. Now it's time to write the solution for this differential equation. Hence the solution is what was the formula for solution? X, that is the dependent variable, into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor. Since integrating factor as well as q both are function of y, so we have to take the integral with respect to y plus integrating constant c. So now I am going to put the value of integrating factor here. So x e raised to power tan inverse y. And what was the value of q? You can see here the value of q is e raised to power minus tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square. So I am going to put it. You can see this is e raised to power minus tan inverse y and this is e raised to power tan inverse y. So both get cancelled and then we get x e raised to power tan inverse y is equal to dy upon 1 plus y square plus c. Now you know about the integration of this term. What is that? Tan inverse phi plus C. So this is the solution for this differential equation. I hope you guys understand this. This was so easy method, and hope you like it. If you are liking my content, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.